Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about growing and harvesting ginger, a powerhouse root that's been cherished for centuries across cultures for its remarkable health benefits and vibrant flavor. From ancient remedies to modern culinary delights, ginger stands out as a versatile ingredient that not only spices up your dishes but also supports your well-being in myriad ways. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process of growing, harvesting, and processing this spicy, aromatic root. The journey of premium ginger begins with the careful preparation of the seed. Once the seed is ready, it is planted using advanced machinery that ensures precise and efficient placement in the soil. This mechanized planting not only saves time but also guarantees uniform spacing, which is crucial for optimal growth. After planting, the area is covered with a light layer of mulch. This mulch serves multiple purposes. It retains soil moisture, regulates temperature, and suppresses weeds. With the mulch in place, the ginger is primed for growth, ready to tap into the rich nutrients of the soil and the favorable climate conditions. The Sunshine Coast hinterland provides an ideal environment for growing ginger. This region's unique combination of soil quality and climate conditions, coupled with 4 generations of ginger growing expertise, creates a perfect setting for cultivating the finest ginger in Australia. The soil in the Sunshine Coast hinterland is rich in organic matter, well drained, and slightly acidic, all of which are ideal for ginger growth. The subtropical climate, with its warm temperatures and ample rainfall, further enhances the growth conditions. This natural bounty is augmented by the accumulated knowledge and experience of 4 generations of ginger farmers, who have honed their cultivation techniques to perfection over the years. Harvesting ginger is a sophisticated process, employing modern technological machines to ensure efficiency and quality. The harvest occurs at 2 distinct times, each suited for different end products. The use of modern harvesting technology not only increases productivity but also ensures that the ginger is handled with care, preserving its quality and freshness. The early harvest yields young, tender ginger, which is ideal for making confectionery ginger. This type of ginger is prized for its mild flavor and delicate texture, making it perfect for candies and other sweet treats. The late harvest, on the other hand, produces mature ginger with a more robust flavor, suited for a variety of products such as cordials, ginger beers, juices, and purees. The freshly harvested ginger is first thoroughly cleaned to remove any soil or debris. The cleaned ginger is peeled to remove the outer skin, revealing the tender flesh underneath. This peeled ginger is then sliced into thin pieces, which are ideal for creating various snack forms. The slicing process is meticulously controlled to ensure uniform thickness, which is crucial for even cooking and drying. The sliced ginger is then cooked to soften it and enhance its natural flavors. Sugar and honey are common additions for sweet ginger snacks, while salt and spices might be used for savory versions. After cooking and flavoring, the ginger slices undergo a drying process. This can be done using conventional ovens, dehydrators, or sun drying, depending on the desired final texture. The final step in the ginger snack process is packaging. The dried ginger slices are carefully packed to maintain their freshness and flavor. Modern packaging techniques, such as vacuum sealing or using moisture-absorbing packets, ensure that the ginger snacks remain crisp and delicious until they reach the consumer.